Welcome back to Cooking with Seb. What's up, my Oonga Boongas? This is part 2, Max Edition. So my brother is gonna be making a smoothie today. You did this? Pause the video so you can follow along at home. This?
Your turn.
Okay, now. And also you can't forget, he needs some milk. Yeah, we need some milk, obviously. Yeah, obviously. Everyone should know that. Okay. Mom. What's that? And a handful. You need a lot, obviously. Is this enough?
Baking powder.
Hey guys, I think we should add a bit more. Mom, this is enough, yeah? Okay. Let's do this. Now let's add the bananas. We need to add the banana. Guys, this smoothie is quite you can make it at home. Just add a couple bananas to
I will let you.
By the way, I'll just be in the background here. Okay. I think we need a bit more of these. Only a couple more, guys. Now it's time for the milk. Oh yeah, we have a special guest today. Zara, say hi.
She's a little bit shy, but that's okay.
Yeah.
She loves smoothies, don't you, Zazzy?
She does. She was actually making one before. Yeah. Okay, guys. Say hi to the internet. Okay. Zara, you can go. Build a little bit.
Yep.
Holy, I spilled. Yeah. I spilled a lot.
Why did you put it on the table?
It's fine to spill sometimes,
You're so
guys.
sweet.
Okay. Are you guys ready? We are gonna blend. Yep. Mom, where's the lid?
Have you got the lid on properly?
Where's the lid?
Oh.
You have the lid. Silly, Mom. Alright, I'll put this on for you, man. Wait. The lid.
Buttermilk.
Guys, you watching it? Yep, you guys turn. Okay, thank you for watching this, by the way.
I think you'll like it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Now ready for this one.
Ignore what happened. Don't follow along that part. Do not do that part.
No.
We're gonna do.
Oh, vanilla.
Wait, they can't see. Come over here, guys. What are you doing? What are you doing over here?
Hold the spoon.
What are you doing over here? Oh yeah.
Dip it in.
Should we do blend?
Vanilla.
Nah. Ultra blend. Are you ready, guys? This will be Cover your ears, everyone.
There we go. Got to put the lid on.
What? Why is it not working? I got this.
Hang on. Wait.
Wait a second, guys.
There. Gotta be locked in.
Oh, start and ultra blend. Cover your ears. Guys, cover your ears at home. It's very loud. Make sure you're covering your ears at home. This is very loud. By the way, this has a little meter up the top so we can see how loud it is. You guys might not be able to tell, but this is actually very loud. At least it's stable. officially finished with our smoothie. Hey guys, make sure you need help. Mom, thank you for watching this video. Or should I say, Cooking with Max. What's up, my Unga Bungas? Max, you already did the intro. You don't have to mention this video. What's up, my Unga Bungas? Max, you already did the intro. You don't have to mention. What's up, my Unga Bungas? Okay. That's the mom. Stop. Guys, that was... Sorry about that one, guys. That was not meant to happen. Mom? Hold on, Mom's coming over.
What's happening?
It's not coming
Hang
out.
on, I'll do it.
Max accidentally turned it on again, but he stopped it. Cooking with Max! Right.
Now, put this in the freezer, Max.
Yeah, guys, give us a sec. So focus on me. What are you doing?
Freezer.
Freezer. Make sure that's in the freezer. Doot, doot, doot.
Alright.
What do you think of that blender? Do you have this kind of blender at home, guys? Yep.
All I'm scribbling.
Be careful. Mom.
Do you want some too, Gracie?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. Hey, it should look purple like this. It kind of looks like a groovy shape. If it doesn't look purple like this, then
Alright, are you ready for the
you might want to restart. Then yeah, you might want to rerun the video.
Here we go.
Yeah, because you might have messed up some steps. How satisfying that is.
Yummy.
Drink up. Wait, don't hold it like that. You might end the video. Yeah. Hold on. Cheers. Cheers.
Well enough.
Perfect.
I have.
Ooh,
Oh, that's delicious.
that's strong.
Good job.
Alright guys, thank you for watching Cooking with Max. Besties. I'm just gonna drink this. Alright. And remember everyone, stay awesome. See you in the next one. Why does it keep shaking, guys? Okay guys, we'll be back in the next one. Unga bunga!